In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, open it. Then you need to tap on Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, hit while using the app. Select Allow. Close and add. Tap on Set as Default at the top and click on Launcher Pro. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to go back to the default one, you can always do that by going back to the same app. Hitting Set as Default and tapping on Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!